Hello guys, today I want to show you another attribute in BGP that we can using for traffic engineering. Uh, let's check some configuration in router 8. I get a show IP BGP first, so I write show IP BGP and look at the routes. We have 992 in our AS and we advertising for AS 15,000. Look at 992 route. We have two way to reach to 992. The first one is 10.5. 10.5 is this interface. 10.1 is this interface, gig01. If I get the show IP interface brief in R6, show IP interface brief, you can see that the gig is 01, it is the IP address is 10.1. So R8 get the route of 992 from this way, not from this way. Okay, and here you can see the winner is from here, R6 to R8. Now I want to change and use the attribute of origin to change it and get the route instead of R6, R7 advertise and R6 stop the advertising. This is that we can transfer from here to here between R7 and R8. We want to do it like this. So this route will be the best and this one will be deleted from the route. Before I want to do it, let's explain about the attribute of origin. If you check the here in show IP BGP, you can see this icon I, and here is the explanation. I means IGP. E, we don't see this one. It was old and never happened. We check this icon by E, and the other one is question mark, it's incomplete. So we have I and question mark, these two. Let me show you. I always is better than a question mark, because question mark, it means that the route, any route that shows by question mark, it means that from another routing protocol advertise redistribute in BGP. So first prefer this way and then this way preferred. For example, in R4, if I get a show IP protocols, we have two routing protocol. The first one is OSPF. So in R4 we have OSPF, and another side is the BGP 65,500. This is OSPF and this one is BGP. Okay, so I redistribute just for example to understand what happened, what is the question mark. I go and redistribute the OSPF in BGP. So I am going in config, then in router BGP 65,500 and address family IP, and says redistribute OSPF 1, just for example to understand it. So now I redistribute the route of OSPF 1 in BGP, and see here we don't have any question mark. Now I redistribute. So if I get a show IP BGP, now we can see we have some routes that from OSPF come in BGP and it shows question mark. Just because you understand it, what's the question mark. Now again, I come back in R4 and I cancel the redistribute. Let me check again. If I get show IP BGP, then there is no question mark. Okay, just I want to show you what is the meaning of the question mark incomplete. So my plan is in R4 and R5 advertise for this interface. It means from R4 to R6, R5 to R6. I write a roadmap and advertise this route by question mark. So automatically here get the route by question mark, here get the route by I. So automatically R7 preferred and the route goes from this way. So let's write the roadmap in R4 and R5. I open R5 also. Okay, in R4 I came out from the route configuration. I write IP prefix list. I make it the name OR. I make it by a capital OR, and then write permit 9992/32/32. Okay, I write route map. The name of the roadmap also I write it OR, and says that if match IP address prefix list OR, if you see any match of this IP prefix list, it means 992/32, it means just this route. Then set origin. If you check the origin, incomplete and IGP, so I say incomplete. Okay, I set it incomplete. Then I am going in R5, do same process, config IP prefix list OR permit 9992/32, then route map name, I put it same OR, then says that if any prefix match with IP prefix list, the name OR, then set origin incomplete. Okay, so I write the roadmap. Now I must go in a router BGP, advertise this roadmap for them. So first I go in R4, router BGP 65500 in address family IPv4, and there is a neighbor from R4 to R6. Let's get a show IP interface brief. We have here gig 00, it is 332. Okay, So 332, I write it 332 sorry, then says that advertise this roadmap. From R4 we want to send advertise to R6, so the site will be oh sorry, roadmap number, it was the name origin OR, and the site is out. Okay, now I am going in R5 and do it same and say that the router BGP 65,500, address family IPv4, and again neighbor, the neighbor here R5 to R6 gig 02. You can check one more time, sorry. Show IP interface brief. You can see gig 02 is 3342. So in R5 I choose neighbor 3342 roadmap. What was the name of the roadmap? Origin OR, and the site I show you again, it shows in or out. So from R5 we send the route to R6, so we choose out. Okay, and then we will go in R8, we do clear IP BGP star soft uh, star soft. Now again show IP BGP. So just one more time, look at the route here for 992. Here 10.1 was best. Now 10.1 must be removed and 10.5 will be the best. Let's check. You can see 10.1 removed and 10.5 is the best way for getting the 992. So instead of R6 we move the traffic to R7, and R8 get it the traffic of 992 from this way. I hope you like it and you learn how can we use the different attributes for different purposes. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.